required to make glucose?
This is our background information. Plants are living organisms. They belong to the plant kingdom. Plants need water, soil, and carbon dioxide and chloroplast to make glucose. Depending on the plant, they need to be in certain climates. Plants are best in sunny places. Plants provide us with food, medicine, and air. They breathe in carbon dioxide and turn it into oxygen. Without plants, we would not survive. Plants need glucose to survive. The starch is the plant's energy. Starch in plants is stored in the stem and leaves. Without sunlight, plants would not be able to produce glucose.
Charles hypothesis, if we left leaves in aluminum foil so no sunlight can get in, then there would be no chlorophyll because plants need sunlight to make glucose. Materialism. One leafy green plant, aluminum foil, rubbing alcohol, at least 2 weight 48 ounces Joseph lid, measuring cup, sauce used in salad dishes, tincture of iodine, and labels.
The independent variable is one plant will be allowed sunlight and one won't. The dependent variable is we are using the same plant for all the testing. Observations. The leaves were soaked in rubbing alcohol over the weekend, so we had to start over. On day 1, we put the plant outside. It has had 2 leaves covered in aluminum foil, so no sunlight could get it. On day 2, the soil was damp, so we didn't put any water, but the flower was dying. On day 3, bottom leaves were dead. On day 4, we took the plant outside and set the 2 leaves had aluminum foil and the 2 leaves that didn't have aluminum foil on them. We put also aluminum foil on the leaves that had it. We put the wrapped leaves in a jar that was filled with 250 milliliters of rubbing alcohol, and the leaves we cut off that had no aluminum foil, we filled with 250 milliliters of rubbing alcohol. We left the leaves in the rubbing alcohol over the night. On day 5, we took the leaves out of rubbing alcohol and put some iodine on each leaf, and the wrapped leaves had a little bit of glucose, and the non-wrapped leaves had a lot of glucose.
This is our procedure. Wrap several leaves in aluminum foil so no sunlight can get in. Leave plant in a sunny place for at least 2 days. Cut out the wrapped leaves and at least 2 leaves that were in the sun. Place about 1 cup, 250 milliliters of rubbing alcohol in a jar for each plant leaf you are testing. Label each jar so that you can tell what condition the leaf has been through. Drop each leaf into a jar containing alcohol. Close the lids. Leave the jar for at least 12 hours. Put each leaf on a saucer and drop some iodine on the leaves. Note the results for each leaf in your journal. The iodine tells you which leaf made starch and which did not, because iodine turns black and blue in the presence of glucose.
Our hypothesis is that we wrap leaves in aluminum foil so no sunlight can get in, then the leaves will lose chlorophyll because plants need sunlight to produce glucose. Our results supported our hypothesis because the non-wrapped leaves made little